Today, let's delve into China's pioneering role in the realm of humanoid robotics, where innovation meets ambition on a grand scale. From advanced research labs to bustling factory floors, China's leadership in humanoid robots is reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of technology. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of how China is spearheading the future of robotics with groundbreaking advancements and visionary initiatives. Established in 2009, X Robots launched humanoid robot exploration in 2016. 5 years later, the company unveiled China's first robot museum, the X Future Science and Technology Museum, in Lining Province. This venue houses the firm's R&D division and a bionic robot production line. Specializing in intelligent bionic humanoid robots, X Robots excels in research, development, manufacturing, sales, and service. At the 2023 World Robot Conference in Beijing on 17 August, visitors enjoyed a display of vivid humanoid robots. Jiang Lei Lei, an intelligent humanoid bionic robot by X Robots, boasts silver short hair, a cute round face, and silver armor. Through digital modeling and 3D printing, these robots replicate real faces with delicate skin, elasticity, and lifelike touch. They embody silicone art, merging aesthetics with technology, matching human height with movable joints and bones. Uptech Robotics made a global impact in 2012 with their humanoid robots and AI companions, particularly with their flagship product, the Walker robot, boosting advanced movement and interaction capabilities. NIO, a Chinese electric car manufacturer, is pushing the boundaries of automation by testing humanoid robots on its assembly line. The Walker robots, developed by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality checks for door locks, seat belts, headlights, and logo attachment. While specific details of the new robot are unavailable, its predecessor stood at 145 centimeters tall, weighed 77 kilograms, and had a limited battery life of 2 hours. This marks the first use of Walker robots on an electric vehicle assembly line, showcasing their real-time image capture and transmission capabilities. While NIO has yet to announce an official pilot program, UB Tech Robotics sees great potential in using robots to enhance productivity in electric vehicle manufacturing, envisioning a future of human-robot coexistence. AGI Bot recently revealed Raise 1, a humanoid robot with 49 degrees of freedom, 175 cm tall, and 55 kg. AI powered by massive language models enables fluent human-like movement at 7 km per hour carrying 5 kg. Its modular design allows easy component swapping for assembly to caregiving tasks. Initially for industrial manufacturing, Raise One's commercialization expands to home assistance. The modular skill hand system offers precise manipulation. AGI ROS OS integrates seamlessly with major frameworks, soon open-sourced. The Work GPT AI enables autonomous perception and planning. AGI Bot's AI brain dynamically allocates tasks. With reconfigurable hardware, Raise One adapts from manufacturing to home assistance, a significant robotics breakthrough. Juing X30 is made to help in different situations like after earthquakes, in collapsed buildings, tunnel accidents, and places with chemical pollution or heavy smoke from disasters. It can detect and rescue people without needing anyone to operate it. A new AI humanoid robot, named XAND, has been unveiled by Robot Era. It's touted as a game-changer in embodied AI, aimed at creating robots that interact with the real world like humans. XAND boasts 12 active degrees of freedom, enabling human-like movement and flexibility. Equipped with built-in tactile sensors, it can sense and feel objects it touches, ensuring precise and smooth movements. What's remarkable is that Robot Era claims the technology behind XAND is fully self-developed, Despite being a newcomer in the robotics and AI industry, founded only in 2023. While details about its cost and availability remain undisclosed, XAND appears to be a significant step towards embodying AI, especially as discussions about achieving AGI gain momentum. Robot Era, known for its focus on developing general-purpose humanoid robots, utilizes reinforcement learning in projects like Humanoid GVI. This approach enables training robots to mimic human capabilities, utilizing concepts like zero-shot sim to real transfer to seamlessly transition from simulated to real-world environments. Beyond these technicalities, a showcase video released by Robot Era showcases XAND's capabilities, revealing a fascinating glimpse into its potential. Olivia, created at the Ars Social Robotics Lab in Singapore, is a multifunctional robot acting as both a receptionist and a personal assistant. It utilizes camera, eyes, and microphones to interact with people, aiming to eventually respond to natural speech and display emotions. Standing at 1.6 meters tall and weighing 152 kilograms, Olivia is equipped with a Core i7 processor, and future plans include mobility and improved hands for object manipulation. Humanoid robots have advanced significantly thanks to reinforcement learning, yet their inherent complexity, like devising complex reward systems and training comprehensive systems, remains a challenge. To address this, P&D Robotics developed Adam, a full-scale humanoid robot with an innovative design enhancing imitation learning efficiency. They also created an imitation learning framework based on an adversarial motion prior, applicable to Adam and other humanoid robots. Through this, Adam exhibits human-like qualities in locomotion tasks. Their experiments show Adam can match human performance in complex locomotion tasks, a groundbreaking use of human locomotion data in full-scale humanoid robot learning. From Beijing emerges a groundbreaking development, Tiangong, the world's first fully electric anthropomorphic robot. Developed by the Beijing Humanoid Innovation Center, Tiangong represents a giant leap in robotics, boosting exceptional adaptability in mimicking human foot movements across various terrains. Its open-source nature invites global collaboration, accelerating advancements and fostering a diverse community of contributors. With multiple visual perception sensors and advanced motion control methods, Tiangong achieves natural and efficient movement patterns, reaching speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, a remarkable feat with practical applications across industries. China's latest AI and robotics advancements are turning heads worldwide. The unveiling of the AST S1 robot from Shenzhen, China, has left many astonished. This fully autonomous humanoid star robotics system boasts unprecedented speed and fluidity in completing tasks. From lightning-fast cup stacking to sophisticated object identification, the AST S1 showcases remarkable capabilities. What's particularly impressive is its integration of a large language model and vision system, enabling it to interact with its environment and make decisions autonomously. The AST S1's agility and efficiency challenge conventional notions of humanoid robotics, proving that simplicity and fluidity can be as effective as complex designs. While some may remain skeptical, the AST S1's demonstration suggests that China is leading the charge in robotics innovation. The prospect of commercialization in 2024 raises anticipation for its potential impact on various industries. As the boundaries of humanoid robotics continue to be pushed, the AST S1 signals a new era of competition and possibilities in AI and robotics. Hanson Robotics Limited, established by David Hanson, is an engineering and robotics firm headquartered in Hong Kong. Renowned for its creation of lifelike robots integrated with artificial intelligence, AI, the company caters to diverse sectors including consumer products, entertainment, service industries, healthcare, and research endeavors. Among its notable creations are Albert Hubo, recognized as the first bipedal robot capable of human-like expressions, Bina 48, an interactive humanoid robot bust, and Sophia, heralded as the world's inaugural robot citizen. Central to Henson Robotics' innovation is the utilization of a patented material known as Frubber, a spongy elastomer skin that closely mimics the texture and flexibility of human skin. Beneath this unique skin, the robots employ proprietary motor control systems to replicate a wide array of human expressions, contributing to their remarkable lifelike appearance and interaction capabilities. Sophia, introduced by Henson Robotics in 2016, emerges as a pioneering figure in the realm of robotics. Notably, she achieved the milestone of being the first robot to receive citizenship and draws inspiration from the timeless grace of Audrey Hepburn. Initially envisioned for tasks like elderly care and crowd management, Sophia has captivated widespread attention from both the public and the media. Earning a prominent place in news coverage, Sophia made her debut at the 2016 South by Southwest (SXSW) exhibition and has since evolved into a global media icon. Her engagements with notable personalities on platforms like CNBC and appearances on renowned television programs such as CBS 60 Minutes, The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, and Good Morning Britain have reached extensive audiences. Furthermore, Sophia has taken center stage as a keynote speaker and panelist at various international conferences and events, including those hosted by ITU and the United Nations. Sophia's impact transcends her media presence. She has been prominently featured in Audi's annual report and graced the cover of Elle magazine. Of significant note, Sophia holds the distinction of being designated as the first innovation champion by the United Nations Development Programme, marking her as the inaugural non-human recipient of a UN title. Recognizing her groundbreaking contributions to robotics, Sophia was honored with an Edison Award in 2018. Within the healthcare sector, Grace, the sibling of Sophia, specializes in providing assistance to individuals suffering from degenerative brain diseases. Amidst the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Grace has emerged as a crucial ally in supporting isolated individuals. Leveraging advanced AI capabilities, she aids in diagnosis and communicates fluently in Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. Adorned in a blue nurse's uniform, Grace possesses distinct Asian features, collar-length brown hair, and a thermal camera embedded in her chest. This camera serves the vital function of detecting a patient's temperature and pulse, aiding doctors in diagnosing illnesses and administering treatments. Grace harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to conduct patient diagnoses, assess responsiveness, and utilize the thermal camera for vital signs detection, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare interventions. Desdemona, an innovative creation from Henson Robotics, seamlessly merges art and technology through her ability to craft spoken poetry in response to cultural cues and music. Often referred to as Desi, she stands as a humanoid robot and serves as the lead vocalist of the Jam Galaxy band. Conceived by the renowned master artist and roboticist David Henson and his skilled team, Desi operates on the combination of music and electricity. Her mission is to propagate the belief that AI can bring about positive change in the creative arts, aiming to inspire a brighter future. As the sister of the renowned Sophia robot, Desi collaborates with her bandmates, including AI scientist Benjamin Goetzel on keyboards and Jam Galaxy CEO Diane Krause on saxophone, to deliver captivating performances to audiences worldwide. At their live shows, Desi mesmerizes audiences with her AI-generated spoken word poetry and musical talents. Beyond entertainment, the band is committed to revolutionizing the music industry through decentralized systems and blockchain technology, underscoring their vision for a more inclusive and innovative future. With her uplifting message and distinctive perspective, Desdemona embarks on a journey to empower artists and humanity, fostering hope and optimism for what lies ahead. In a groundbreaking collaboration between Hanson Robotics and Dictator, a Polish company, the world saw the appointment of Mika as the first humanoid robot CEO in November 2023. Mika utilizes cutting-edge AI and machine learning technologies to drive data-driven decision-making processes. Developed as a joint research endeavor between Dictator and Hanson Robotics, Mika's appointment signifies a significant advancement in the integration of robotics and corporate governance. Notably, Dictator announced via social media on 31st October that Mika was honored with the title of Honorary Professor during the 2023-24 Collegium Humanum University inauguration in Warsaw, Poland, further underscoring her pioneering role in robotics and academia. ALICE, also referred to as EVA, was developed in 2008 by Hanson Robotics for MIRLab in Geneva, Switzerland. This female robot possesses an emotionally expressive face, designed to support cognitive robotics research at the University of Geneva. As a member of the Indigo Cognitive Robotics Consortium, which counts Hanson Robotics as a founding member, ALICE plays a pivotal role in advancing humanoid development. With her innovative rubber skin and underlying servo motors, ALICE can simulate a wide range of human-like facial expressions, enabling her to convey emotions such as sadness, anger, shock, and pleasure with remarkable fluidity and precision. As evidenced by researchers' videos, ALICE's cheeks, mouth, eyes, and eyebrows move dynamically, allowing her to communicate human reactions effectively. Interestingly, ALICE has found an unexpected role as an actress in theatrical productions, showcasing her versatility beyond her original research purposes. Bina 48, or Breakthrough Intelligence via Neural Architecture 48, is a humanoid robot characterized by a bust-like head and shoulders affixed to a frame, capable of producing lifelike facial expressions through 30 motors beneath her rubber skin. Developed by Hanson Robotics and introduced in 2010, Bina 48 represents a technological rendition of a human, commissioned by Martine Rothblatt, a millionaire seeking to replicate the appearance of her spouse of over 35 years, Bina Rothblatt. Bina 48 is equipped with a database containing numerous books, enabling her to recite passages when prompted. Currently situated at the non-profit Terasa Movement Foundation, Incorporated, Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. This humanoid robot is a testament to advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, embodying a unique fusion of technology and human likeness. This humanoid robot is a testament to advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, embodying a unique fusion of technology and human likeness. Albert Einstein Hubo, conceived in November 2005 through collaboration with the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, Hubo Group of Korea, pays homage to the renowned German-born theoretical physicist, Albert Einstein. This expressive walking humanoid combines Einstein's iconic head with a Hubo robot body. KAIST engineered the walking body, while Hanson Robotics crafted the animatronic head and face, utilizing an elastic polymer known as rubber. Debuting at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Summit in November 2005, Albert Einstein Hubo captivated audiences with its ability to perform realistic facial expressions and emulate Albert Einstein's voice through a voice synthesizer. Presently, the robot is housed at the University of California, San Diego, within the California Institute for Telecommunications and Information Technology, CALIT-2, where it continues to serve as a testament to the fusion of robotics and scientific legacy. Ha made his debut in 2015 at the Global Sources Electronics Fair held in Hong Kong, showcasing his remarkable ability to recognize and mimic human expressions. Equipped with an array of cameras and advanced speech recognition technology, Ha can detect individuals, discern their gender, age, and interpret facial cues indicating emotions such as happiness or sadness. Hanson Robotics envisions Ha being utilized in various customer service roles, including hotels, owing to his adeptness in understanding and responding to human interactions. Sporting a bald head and masculine features, Ha exudes charm with his British accent and talent for crafting humorous facial expressions. Jules made his debut in 2006 at Wired Next Fest, captivating audiences with his advanced features including machine learning, face tracking, and facial recognition capabilities. Developed by Hanson Robotics in collaboration with the Personality Forge AI chatbot platform, led by Benji Adams and Heather McKean, Jules boasts a software designed to simulate human-like interactions. Renowned for his statistically perfect androgynous face, Jules represents a significant advancement in robotics and AI technology. Presently, the robot is stationed at the University of West England in Bristol, where he continues to contribute to research and development initiatives. Professor Einstein is Hanson Robotics' first personal robot available to consumers. The robot was developed in 2016 and was unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas in January 2017. The robot first became available for purchase to consumers in January 2017 after launching on the crowdfunding platform Kickstarter, and later became available on Amazon and at other popular retailers across the United States. Professor Einstein is marketed as an educational tool to teach science, primarily to children ages 8 to 13. The robot can speak about science, tell jokes, and connect to Wi-Fi to check the weather or access information on the internet. It has a corresponding app called the Steinematic that offers games, videos, and lessons. Motors allow it to walk, make different facial expressions, and an on-chest camera tracks faces. The Philip K. Dick Android made its first appearance at Wired Next Fest in 2005, designed as an android embodiment of the renowned American science fiction writer Philip K. Dick. Programmed with an extensive collection of the author's works, including journals and letters, the android utilized latent semantic analysis, LSA, to engage in conversations and analyze text. Hanson Robotics and their team received an AAA award in 2005 for their creation of an intelligent conversational portrait of Philip K. Dick. However, the original robot was unfortunately lost during transit to San Francisco in the same year and was never recovered. In 2011, Hanson Robotics collaborated with Dutch public broadcaster Wipro to develop and unveil a new version of the Android. This updated version featured 36 servo motors for facial expressions and incorporated motion tracking machine vision technology. Presently, the Philip K. Dick Android is dedicated to research as part of the non-profit Apollo Mind initiative, continuing to explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and human expression. Zeno made its debut at Wired Next Fest in 2007, boosting advanced capabilities in sight, hearing, and speech. With over 28 specialized motors, Zeno possessed an agile body and an expressive face. Named after creator David Hanson's son Zeno and inspired by Astro Boy, the robot received an updated version in 2012. This new iteration incorporated Dynamixel RX-28 and RX-64 servos, along with a sensor suite comprising gyroscopes, accelerometers, compasses, torque sensors, touch sensors, and temperature sensors. Additionally, the updated Zeno featured more cartoon-like features, enhancing its appeal and functionality. Hanson Robotics introduced Joey Chaos at the 2007 RoboBusiness Conference and Expo in Boston, MA. Designed for studying human-robot interaction, Joey Chaos features camera eyes for tracking human faces and advanced speech recognition software. Its skin is crafted from a lightweight and flexible spongy polymer called Frubber, manipulated by small servo motors within the head. Additionally, the head houses motion detection and speech recognition sensors, transmitting signals to an external computer equipped with artificial intelligence software. In response, the computer coordinates the servo motors to generate facial expressions and speech, enhancing the robot's interactive capabilities. Siasen Robot and Automation Company Limited, a seasoned player since 2000, continues to excel in enhancing manufacturing efficiency through their industrial automation solutions, featuring industrial robots and AGBS. Unitary Robotics unveiled the G1, a $166,000 humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its $150,000 predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and three-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. LeMex Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LeMex Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LeMex Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. LeMex Dynamics Biped Robot P1 embodies groundbreaking innovation, featuring state-of-the-art zero-shot learning technology. Functioning under completely transparent testing conditions, P1 adeptly maneuvered through wilderness environments with unmatched precision and stability. Through the power of reinforcement learning, P1 effortlessly adapted to various terrains, highlighting its extraordinary capabilities. Additionally, LeMex Dynamics stands at the forefront of manipulation and locomanipulation techniques for humanoid robots, promising further advancements in robotic innovation. Developed over a span of 3 years, Jia stands as China's inaugural humanoid robot, showcasing remarkable progress in robotics technology with its ability to engage in basic conversations, display facial expressions, and execute arm movements. Unveiled by a team of engineers at the University of Science and Technology of China, Jia represents a significant milestone in China's robotics landscape, marking the country's entrance into the realm of human-like robotic creations. The Fourier Jia-1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics, with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, The GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks, presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception, the H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. The quadruped robot B2 manufactured by Unitree Robotics is specifically designed for research and development purposes. It incorporates numerous advanced technical features. Firstly, it is characterized by its remarkable speed, capable of reaching up to 6 meters per second. Additionally, the B2 robot dog is built to navigate various terrains adeptly, ensuring steady movements even on slippery or uneven surfaces. Furthermore, it exhibits stability and balance during stair climbing, managing ascents of up to 40 centimeters in height with ease. Equipped with knee joint motors providing 360 Nm of torque, it offers a 170% increase in joint performance, making it highly versatile for a range of tasks. Moreover, the B2 boasts impressive endurance, with a battery life that enables over 5 hours of uninterrupted walking without a load, covering distances exceeding 20 kilometers, an impressive 200% increase compared to its predecessor, the B1 robot dog. In terms of equipment, the B2 features high-quality components such as the optional Rs Helios 32 3D LiDAR, depth camera, high-performance M107 joint modules, and a large-capacity 45Ah battery. The Unitree BW, a groundbreaking wheel-legged robot, is transforming the world of robotic technology with its exceptional versatility and speed. Its innovative features redefine what's possible in the field. It seamlessly blends legged agility with wheel speed, offering unparalleled adaptability. With speeds reaching up to 22 miles per hour on flat surfaces, it sets a new standard for robotic mobility. Navigating challenging environments like stairs and uneven surfaces with remarkable ease ensures efficiency in various scenarios. From search and rescue missions to maintenance tasks, logistics, and even entertainment, the Unitree BW showcases its versatility across a wide range of applications. Beyond its impressive speed and adaptability, its modular design facilitates easy maintenance and customization, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. Powered by a sophisticated onboard computer, it operates autonomously, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it gains a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, enabling precise navigation and interaction. By embracing an open-source approach, it encourages collaboration and innovation among developers, paving the way for continuous improvement and expansion of its capabilities. The Unitree BW represents a remarkable advancement in robotics, bridging the gap between speed and maneuverability. With its unmatched capabilities, it opens up new possibilities in sectors such as rescue operations, maintenance, logistics, and beyond, showcasing the transformative potential of modern robotics. The Go2 is an advanced quadruped robot succeeding the popular Go1 model. Designed with a sleek and agile build, it seamlessly incorporates cutting-edge technology. Tailored for research and higher education, the EduPlus version of the Go2 is customizable, providing users with endless possibilities to create and explore their own robotic applications. Available in multiple configurations, such as the Go2 EduPlus with 40 TOPS computing and the Go2 EduPlus with 100 TOPS computing, this robot offers varying levels of computing power, each equipped with AI algorithms. Additionally, versions like the Go2 EduPlus 3D and the Go2 EduPlus 3D feature advanced 3D LiDAR technology for navigation algorithms. Key features of the Go2 include a 4D LiDAR developed by Unitree, offering wide-angle recognition with minimal blind spots and a detection distance as low as 0.05 meter. Integrated AI capabilities, powered by GPT, enhance the robot's perception of its surroundings, enabling it to make informed decisions based on sensor data. Moreover, the Go2 boasts improved battery life and autonomy, thanks to a long-lasting 15,000 mAh battery providing 2 to 4 hours of operation. Its motors have been upgraded to provide increased torque, reaching a maximum of 45 Newton meters. The ISS 2.0 Intelligent Side Follow system ensures precise positioning and allows for remote control up to 30 meters away. With enhanced connectivity features such as a 4G module, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, the Go2 offers seamless communication capabilities. Notably, it holds the title of the fastest robot dog on the market, capable of reaching speeds of up to 18 km per hour. The latest marvel from Kepler exploration robot, the Kepler Forerunner series, has been unveiled, introducing the Kepler humanoid robot. Standing tall at 178 centimeters and weighing 85 kilograms, this cutting-edge creation features a highly adept hand with 12 degrees of freedom. With a total of 40 degrees of freedom across its entire body, it excels in navigating challenging terrain, adeptly avoiding obstacles, executing intricate hand movements, effortlessly lifting and transporting heavy loads, coordinating hand-eye movements, and engaging in intelligent communication. At its core lies a system akin to Tesla's Optimus, employing state-of-the-art planetary roller screw actuator and rotary actuator technology. This empowers the robot with sophisticated body articulation, precise hand manipulation, and advanced visual perception, positioning it as a formidable competitor to Tesla's Optimus in the realm of humanoid robotics. In 2016, Ricky Ma, a designer from Hong Kong, devoted over a year and $50,000 to fulfill his childhood dream of constructing a life-sized humanoid robot named Mark I robot. This remarkable female humanoid is built with a skeleton created through 3D printing, which forms about 70% of her body. With liquid eyes and the ability to display intricate facial expressions, such as eyebrow raises and wings, Mark I robot is engineered to engage in realistic conversations. As of September 2023, Ma was already considering the development of Mark II, envisioning an evolution that would integrate ChatGPT technology, thereby enhancing the robot's conversational abilities and broadening its interactive potential. Mark Robotics specializes in crafting bespoke full-body or half-body robotic creations tailored to clients' desires. Their services extend to delivering precise classic celebrity appearances and fulfilling corporate requirements. They cover every aspect from model aesthetics and appearance positioning to production and manufacturing, ensuring unparalleled customization and quality. Ricky Ma, known for his Mark Robotics series, recently unveiled his latest creation, the humanoid robot model named Mark I. This innovative robot has mastered the art of cooking various dishes, showcasing Ma's dedication to his $50,000 dream project. Utilizing 3D printing for 70% of its body, Ma spent a year and a half programming the hardware to respond to voice commands, exemplifying his commitment to pushing technological boundaries. Mark I seamlessly executes commands through a microphone, reflecting Ma's expertise and passion in robotics. In March and April 2024, Ricky Ma introduced two revolutionary additions to his roster of robots, Mark X and Mark II, further enriching his trailblazing collection of innovations. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D. Adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries. However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass-producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field. Xiaomi unveiled its latest leap into future tech on 21 August 2021 with CyberDog, a bio-inspired quadruped robot. This open-source marvel represents Xiaomi's engineering excellence, inviting developers worldwide to explore its potential. CyberDog marks Xiaomi's debut in quadruped robotics, inviting enthusiasts to collaborate and compete in propelling its development. Fueled by Xiaomi's servo motors, CyberDog boasts remarkable speed, agility, and versatility for a range of dynamic movements. At its core, CyberDog harnesses the power of NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX platform, processing vast data streams seamlessly. With 11 high-precision sensors, CyberDog mirrors biological organisms, enabling enhanced interaction and environmental awareness. Xiaomi introduced the CyberDog in August 2023, an advanced robot dog proficient in backflips, skateboarding, and playing fetch. With proportions resembling a Doberman, this sleeker, more intelligent version allows users to customize it using 3 USB Type-C ports and an HDMI connector. Unlike its predecessor, the CyberDog 2 exhibits behavior akin to a real puppy, adept at sensing and responding to its owner's needs and emotions. Its empathy imbues it with a human-like disposition, evident in nuanced body language. For instance, it joyfully wags its tail when its owner is happy. Xpeng Robotics recently launched its quadruped robot pony with autonomous navigation and emotional interaction capabilities. Designed as a companion, it can care for, entertain, and transport individuals, acting like a robot unicorn for kids. Equipped with features such as object recognition and intelligent driving, Xpeng aims for a warm, family-friendly design. Established in 2016, Xpeng focuses on walking robot technology, including powertrains, locomotion control, autonomy, interaction, and AI. XR4, also known as the Seven Fairies, is the newest humanoid beep robot from Data Robotics. Made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, it's 168 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. With over 60 flexible joints, it connects to the data cloud brain in real time. Using the advanced GPT robot model and multimodal fusion, XR4 learns to stand steadily, move its arms and hands deftly, and even dance. Its goal is to become a human companion, fulfilling the role of a robotic nanny.